tó mo kí yín o, ẹ ṣé tẹ́ ẹ tẹ́tí sí mi. Èmi náà ni o, èmi tiyín ní tòótọ́, àìtàlẹ̀ abiyamọ. Èmi àìtàlẹ̀ abiyamọ kí gbogbo ẹ̀yin akéde mi tèwe tàgbà káàbọ̀ sí abala tí mo pè ní mo fẹ́ kọ́ èdè mi nítorí kíkọ́ ni mímọ̀. Àkórí ọ̀rọ̀ wa lénìí ni àjò, ìrìn àjò àti Oko Irinno. What am I saying? Hello everyone. Àìtàlẹ̀ abiyamọ welcomes all Akedes to Mofeko Ede Mi. And for today, we'll be learning all about travel and modes of transportation, all kinds of modes of transportation that we use when traveling. Yes, we do have names for them in Yoruba too. And you're gonna love this one. You're gonna have so much fun with it because you see it, you use it ever so often. So, you're gonna fly at this. So, we do travel by and through different and all forms of transport. Be it the air, afẹ́fẹ́ or òfurufú, be it on the land, ilẹ̀, or be it on water or sea, ojú omi. So we're gonna learn all about different modes of transport for air, for water, and for land. So, come have fun with me. So, we're gonna go by it. Any mode of transportation is Oko. If it is air, Oko òfurufú. If it is land, Irinno. If it is water, Oko ojú omi. So irrespective of whether you're on the air, on the land, or at sea, is Oko. Oko. That is your mode of transport. Transport is Oko. Now, whether it's on land, Omi, or whether it's on water, Omi, because Omi is water. Whether on land, Ile or Ono. Whether in the air is afẹ́fẹ́ or òfurufú. So, I'm gonna break it down in 3 parts. We're gonna talk about modes of transport on land. We're gonna talk about modes of transport in the air, and we're going to talk about modes of transport at sea or on water. So, modes of transport on the land. Lórí ilẹ̀. Land is ilẹ̀. So, we have bus, Oko Èrò, Oko Èrò, bus. You can also call bus, bossy. Bossy, boss, bossy. Car, Oko ayọ́kẹ́lẹ́, Oko ayọ́kẹ́lẹ́. Car, taxi. We all use taxis one time or another. Oko ajé ìgboro, Oko ajé ìgboro, taxi. We have train, Oko ojú irin, Oko ojú irin, train. I hope we all have that in the bag. I'll go over it again one more time. Bus, Oko Èrò, Oko Èrò, bus. Or you can call bus, bossy. Bossy. Boss, bossy. Car, Oko ayọ́kẹ́lẹ́, Oko ayọ́kẹ́lẹ́. Car, taxi. Oko ajé ìgboro, Oko ajé ìgboro, taxi. Train, Oko ojú irin, ọkọ̀ ojú irin, train. Now, we all know that we have train station and bus station as well. So, say like you're in the train station. Train station in Yoruba is called Ibudo Oko Ero. Ibudo Oko, sorry. Bus station. Don't mind me. Bus station. I beg your pardon. Bus station. So, bus station is Ibudo Oko Ero. Ibudo Oko Ero is bus station. Then train station. We all use train at one time or another. So train station is Ibudo Oko Ojú Irin. Ibudo Oko Ojú Irin. Train station. Now we're going to go to the water transport. So we're going to talk about water, sea, and water like so. We have boats. Ọkọ̀ ojú omi. Ọkọ̀ ojú omi. Boat. Yacht. Ọkọ̀ ìgbafẹ́ ojú omi. Ọkọ̀ ìgbafẹ́ ojú omi. Yacht, because it's for pleasure. You go on the yacht for pleasure. Anyway, so then we have ship. Oko Irinno ojú omi. Oko Irinno ojú omi. Ship. And where the ship stops, where the boat stops, where the yacht stops, where they dock them is Ibudo Oko Ojú Omi. The dock is Ibudo Oko Ojú Omi. Now we go to the air transport. We have airplane or aeroplane or plane, whichever floats your boat, irrespective of whatever you're calling it, right? Is ọkọ̀ òfurufú. Plane is ọkọ̀ òfurufú or ọkọ̀ bàálù. Plane, ọkọ̀ òfurufú. Òfurufú is air. Ọkọ̀ òfurufú or ọkọ̀ bàálù. And the airport. The airport is ibùdó ọkọ̀ òfurufú. Ibùdó ọkọ̀ òfurufú, airport, or you can call it pápá ibùdó ọkọ̀ òfurufú. Pápá ibùdó ọkọ̀ òfurufú, airport, because like most airports are like field. So yeah, and field is pápá. Pápá is field. So yeah, so there you have it. So in as much as we are talking about traveling, àjò. Travel is àjò. Traveling, ìrìn-àjò. We might also learn about some important things that you did and you do when you're traveling. Things like if you're traveling for pleasure, ìrìn-àjò fún fàájì. Ìrìn-àjò fún fàájì or ìgbafẹ́. Ìrìn-àjò fún fàájì or ìgbafẹ́ is traveling for pleasure. If you're traveling for business, it's ìrìn-àjò fún ìdókòwò. Ìrìn-àjò fún ìdókòwò. Traveling for business. Traveling for business. Ìrìn-àjò fún ìdókòwò. Now, for you to travel, like if you're going on air, you need your passport. Your passport is Ìwé Ìrìnnà. Ìwé Ìrìnnà, passports. And if you're driving, you need your driving license. Say like you need to drive from one country to another, you need your driving license. So your driving license, ìwé ìwakọ̀, ìwé ìwakọ̀ is your driving license or driver's license, as you want to call it. So there you have it. So anything and everything that has to do with traveling is àjò. Travel is àjò. Traveling, ìrìnàjò. Now, of course, for you to travel, you have to have a mode of transport or transportation to get you there. So, irrespective of your mode of transport or transportation, transport is Oko. It doesn't matter Oko whatever, but it is Oko. So now, depending on where you're going and what mode you decide to use, whether air, water, or air, whether land, water, or air, that is ilẹ̀, omi, tàbí afẹ́fẹ́, you have to blend it together like Oko Èrò. Oko Èrò if you're on the road, you're going on a bus. Oko ojú omi if you're going in a boat. Or Oko ojú omi if you are going through water. Oko òfurufú if you're going to travel through the air is òfurufú. So yeah. So there you have it. And I know you're going to use this every day, because every day you're either using the train, Oko ojú omi, the bus, Oko Èrò, the taxi, Oko Ajé Ìgboro, the train, the taxi, Oko Èrò, the bus, the train, Oko ojú omi, the bus, Oko Èrò, the taxi, Oko Ajé Ìgboro, or your own personal car, be it yours or relatives or dad and mom, whichever way, is Oko Ayọ́kẹ́lẹ́. And of course, when you're traveling or you want to travel, there is one important thing you need to go along with, and that is your luggage. Now, whether you're using a luggage or a baggage or whatever bag you're carrying, is ẹrù in Yoruba. So ẹrù is your luggage or baggage or handbag or anything that you're carrying with you when traveling is ẹrù. Yeah, so I guess that sums up everything. So there you have it. All you need to know. There you have your vocabulary now with respect to you traveling. All you need to know about your everyday modes of transportation that gets you from point A to point B. There you have it now. It's in the bag. It's in the bag. I remember when I was younger, back then in Ibadan, like anytime you see the plane in the air and the plane is going over, there's this song that we say aeroplane ó dàbọ̀ bá mi kíyà mi ẹlẹ́kọ̀ ẹ̀kọ́ méjì tó fún mi ó yó mi yàn ó yó mi mo rẹ́ mọ̀ lágége ajáwẹ̀wò oróṣọ ó gbé báàgì sápá kan ó ti pa púpà jìgìjìgì. Well, I mean, oh my days. We will be dancing and shouting and waving at the plane as if it can see us, really, really shouting and stretching out our hands to see if we can touch it. So it is fun. So yeah, I think it's something you should learn. I think you should learn it. So I'll go over it again. If it floats your boat, you're welcome. And if it doesn't, just fast forward it, okay? So here goes. Aeroplane ó dàbọ̀ bá mi kíyà mi ẹlẹ́kọ̀ ẹ̀kọ́ méjì tó fún mi ó yó mi yàn ó yó mi More Molagigi, Ajawa Orosho, Obe Bagi Sapaka, Otipamukam, Jiggy Jiggy, Ayakamukam, Jiggy Jiggy, Ayakamukam, Jiggy Jiggy, yo. So that's it, guys. Keep saying it. Emma Bami so. Emma Bami Jelenu. Emma Bami Yiri will go over it from time to time. Listen to it again and keep applying it. And how do you apply it? Say it in your mother tongue. Say it in Yoruba. That is you applying it there. Instead of you saying boss in English, say Oko Irinno. That is it. Instead of saying, oh, car, go put it in the car. Lọ fi sínú ọkọ̀ ayọ́kẹ́lẹ́, or lọ fi sínú mọ́tò, or lọ fi sínú ọkọ̀. You know, you can shorten it. Oh, I need a taxi. Mo nílò ọkọ̀ ajé ìgboro. My taxi is there. Ọkọ̀ ajé ìgboro mi ti dé. You know. Oh, we are going on a boat. I love ọkọ̀ ojú omi o. Yeah, I'm going to walk on the train. Ọkọ̀ ojú omi òní máa wọ̀ lọ síbi iṣẹ́ lẹ́nu. So instead of you say it in your mother tongue, please. Say it, because when you keep saying it, when you keep repeating it, it helps you to remember. And before you know it, you'll be flowing in it. So, kò jù báyìí lọ o. Ṣíkún, òun ṣáà lọ bẹ̀ again. Till I come your way again. Akweto.